Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. God bless you in Jesus' name. So today I want to show you how to use your tritone in your worship session. I'm going to be in the key of F. So it goes something like this now. Holy, holy, holy. So this is just the straightforward progression. Which goes for this song, you do holy, you do your 1, then you do your 2 chord, holy, then you do your 3 chord, holy. That's like 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you do your 5, 1, 4. Da, 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 da. Okay, so that's how it goes. But then I will show you the tritone which goes like this. Holy. Let me use a string. Holy, holy, holy. Right. So before I show you this, if you've not gotten my intermediate piano course, you should do that now. The link to get it is on my seller store. You can check the about section of this comment, or you can buy directly from me. Just check the comment section for my WhatsApp number. If it's not there, just request for it. Right, and you can buy. I'm going to put the link also in the description where you can buy it also. So you can see all the topic on the screen. All those are the stuff you're going to be learning. Okay, so let's get to the work today. So holy. So you have to learn before applying tritone in this perspective. You have to learn what's the underlying chord progression, which I just gave you. That's 1, 2, 3. If you don't know the number system, then you should just type it. That means you need another help. So I'll send you what to. I think I have a tutorial for that on the channel. So now, what are we doing? I taught all this in my advanced passing course, but let me quickly do. So I have another course, advanced passing course. You can buy to learn all the full theory behind this, why we are doing this. But then I'll just show you the course for now. So you have a 1. So instead of going to 6, we use this tritone, which is so whatever key you are in. So you're gonna use your tritone, which is the minor 2. So the tritone of your minor 2, which is actually this tritone is actually picked from your 6. You know, the third and the flatted 7th in the dominant 7 chord is a tritone. Every dominant 7 chord have tritone in them, and I explain all that in the another course, which is the advanced passing course. So if you've gotten the intermediate course, you should go for the advanced passing course also. It's also on the seller store, or you can buy directly from me. All right. So the tritone goes F sharp and C on the left. Then on the right you have your B flat major. But you do the second inversion. So B flat major, the first inversion, the second inversion. So you add that to your tritone to have then to your 2 chord. Then the next tritone, which is the tritone form also your 7. Right? So you do 1, 2. So the tritone here is A flat and D on the left. On the right you have G, C, E. That's your 3 chord. I know myself again, Johnsonkeyz. Subscribe to this channel for many more. God bless you. Bye.